can see, is a really big extension. So it's going to be like probably doubling the size of the arcade. So that's one on its way. I'm not sure when it's actually going to open, but obviously it's probably a good while yet. But yeah, that gift shop, I remember going in that in the 80s, and it's never really changed much over the years. Used to have all the stuff outside. Obviously the winter gardens that the renovations have started, you can't really see much happening from the outside, but opening 2028. Now the big wheel has moved. The existing one, the one which was there, should I say, that's been taken down, because that was sort of right next to the sea life. And then it's moved a little bit further across, pointing a different way as well. I think it's a different one. I don't think it's the same one. I might be wrong. If anyone knows, let me know in the comments, but I don't think it's the same one. £8 for adults, £6 for children. Barking Smack still closed. Starting to look a little bit sorry for itself now, the actual letters are coming off the top. The one next door's open though.
Well, it's still going.
Time of filming is actually 9:30 now. these arcades, they'll be open in about half an hour. Golden Nuggets had a new sign. Life's a beach. Oh dear. Mint Arcade. Now the pink building there, that's the prize bingo. So if you like the bingo, and they have actually opened one at Hemsby as well as the one in Newport. We'll have a walk down to the Britannia Pier. Lots of changes there. The pub on the front of Britannia Pier, that's had a complete facelift. Lots of money been spent on it. So much better. And the arcade, sort of like next to it where you walk downstairs, is no longer an arcade. That's more like a casino. They've got lots of sort of like the £500 jackpot machines, something like that. There's pool tables, bar as well. Have a look. Now the Empire sadly closed down again. Been lots of things over the years. I used to go in the 90s, Bourbon Street. The Anchor Gardens, they've all been planted. That's the American Family Diner. That's part of Joyland. Joyland is open every day now, weather permitting. £11 o'clock. So the people that own this pier, it's slowly been done up in stages basically. So obviously all the arcade's been done, the pier tavern, that's all been done, and casino, Royal, cash casino, pool and bars downstairs, and the fish and chips, Crispies, that's been done as well. It's not quite open yet. Tea rooms on the left, I'm not seeing that open this year so far. I've seen the one on the right open, but one time they used to be open about 6 o'clock. Not anymore. Well, not those anyway. Now the new beach hotel, that's had a little bit of a facelift on the front. With the looks of it, looks like they've been painting it. Obviously they started doing the side as well, and they've changed the blue finish to black. Obviously that's where the long bar used to be. Right, we'll just go and have a look at the beach and see. It's sun's out, just a lovely morning. Now they're playing music on the Britannia Pier, so sadly can't really go on there because of copyright issues. I'd like to, but yeah, not this time. Right, I think we'll leave it at that on this one. Thank you for watching this video and looking at all my photos, what I put on Facebook. Thanks for everybody that's liked and shared. Facebook's got over 35,000 followers now. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching.